Are you ready to unleash your style and stand out in a sea of men? Well, in this video, we would be talking about some awesome tips and tricks that will help you rock your unique style and make a lasting impression. So get ready to turn heads and show the world your one-of-a-kind fashion sense. Before we begin, make sure you like and subscribe so you can help us spread this valuable information that can help other men. Make sure you activate notification so you don't miss any videos. 1. Experiment with bold colors and patterns in your clothing. Get wild with bright hues and designs that will turn heads. Adding colorful accessories or even bold jackets may completely transform a simple black suit into a show-stopping ensemble. To bring your style to life, try out patterns that reflect your personality and experiment with color combinations that complement one another. Begin with an uncolored foundation. Colors like black, gray, brown, and olive grove are what come to mind. To balance off the more daring splash of color, ground your ensemble with solid, neutral-colored pieces, such as your jeans, jacket, and shirt. On top of that, it allows the color, or pattern, visual room to shine. Matching garments can be a mystery to a lot of men. Colors should be reserved for the summer, according to some men. Still others, by default, rather than a preference for neutral colors, keep their clothes monochromatic. Worst-case scenario, they can't help but wear it. 2. Invest in well-fitted clothes that flatter your body type. So, what kind are you? Specifically, your body type. Are you like a rectangle, triangle, inverted triangle, oval, or trapezium shape? Despite the importance of knowing one's body type and purchasing clothing accordingly, many men still have trouble doing so. The truth is that there is more to picking out flattering garments for your figure than merely paying attention to seasonal trends. What works for one individual may not work for another. The clothes you wear greatly influence your self-expression and sense of identity. However, there is more to you than what you wear. Wearing clothes that make you feel good is thus a certain approach to reveal your personality and radiate confidence. However, there may not be a universal one-size-fits-all approach when clothing is designed with one body type in mind. Your guy can rock form-fitting garments because of his height and thin build. Contrarily, you require styles that will accentuate your muscles without making you appear overly tight or loose, given that you are shorter and have a lot of muscle. Consulting a menswear specialist may also be useful if you are having trouble finding suitable garments. Your tailor is in the best position to advise you on the styles and cuts of clothing that will complement your unique figure. 3. Accessorize with statement pieces. A watch is more than just a timepiece. It's an accessory that can reflect your taste. Accessorizing is a great way to round off an outfit and show off your sense of style. You may dress up a laid-back ensemble with a fedora hat for a more retro vibe, or liven up a suit with a colorful pocket square. Men can accessorize their outfits in a wide variety of ways. You can call everything that you wear with your standard shirt and trousers an accessory. Accessorizing is often overlooked when it comes to men's fashion, yet it can really make or break an outfit. Men can accessorize in an infinite number of ways, from belts and watches to hats and sunglasses. Accessories not only enhance one's look, but they can also be functional. A watch is an essential piece of jewelry for any man's wardrobe because it is both classic and functional. Every style of watch is available, from traditional leather bands to sleek computerized designs. A belt can be both functional and fashionable. It holds pants in place, for example, but it can also make a statement. In addition to shielding your eyes from harmful UV rays, stylish sunglasses can elevate any ensemble. 4. Pay attention to grooming and maintain a well-groomed beard or hairstyle. Your entire appearance can be transformed by a neatly styled hairdo. See a professional hairstylist for advice on a cut that will complement your features and hair texture for a high-quality cut. To keep your hair in good condition and styled the way you want it, wash and condition it regularly and apply styling products as needed. Beard care begins with a regimen of frequent cleaning and grooming. Maintaining a clean beard is just as important as maintaining a clean head of hair in order to prevent the buildup of bad odors. Beards require special care, so it's a good idea to get a high-quality shampoo and conditioner and use them frequently. As a result, it remains pliable, easy to work with, and itchy-free. Maintaining a well-trimmed beard is essential. Keep your beard looking tidy and well-groomed by trimming it regularly. You should get a good beard trimmer and figure out how to use it properly. A well-groomed beard can be yours with a little attention to the décolleté and cheek line. You can show that you pay attention to detail and care about your look by keeping your beard neatly trimmed. 5. Rock a signature scent that reflects your personality. There is a tendency for fragrances to possess transforming capabilities, which might potentially boost the perceptual characteristic style of a male. This reveals a great deal about the kind of man you are. Your identity and the way you present yourself to the world are more important than how you smell when you have a distinctive perfume. By wearing our trademark smell on a regular basis, we may assist establish a strong relationship between our fragrance and our personality. It is reasonable to believe that he is inherently sensual and exploratory in character, given that he would choose to express himself through the musky tones that this fragrance provides. Your mind is made aware that you do not need to be concerned about your body odor when you wear perfume, which in turn enhances your confidence. The implication that perfume is a contemporary equivalent of a fabled magic mixture is not supported by this idea. In the same way that the perfect spouse may bring out your greatest attributes at all times, the appropriate fragrance can work wonders for your personality, boost your mood, and bring out the best in you. In addition to the fact that you smell wonderful, you also have the ability to improve your confidence levels. You will experience a greater sense of control if you are aware that you smell wonderful. 6. Pay attention to details. In order to boost your style, it is important to pay attention to the tiny details. Making an investment in high-quality accessories that complement your attire, including ties, pocket squares, cufflinks, and watches, is a smart move. Putting on these finishing touches demonstrates that you are a person who takes pride in their appearance and has an aesthetic sense. Every man who is well-dressed is aware of the fact that the devil is in the details. 7. Show confidence in your posture and body language. It can instantly elevate your style. Keep your body language confident. Maintaining a solid and stable posture while being forceful might help you look assured. Straightening your back, bringing your shoulders back from your ears, and uncrossing your arms and legs are all ways to project confidence through body language. You can exude more self-assurance by making oneself noticeable. Putting your hands in your pockets could be a comforting thought, especially if you're worried about them trembling, but it will only make you appear more nervous and less assured. To project an air of confidence, remove your hands from your pockets. When you walk, do you gaze down at the floor? Does your head droop constantly while you speak? Just keep your chin up and your gaze ahead as you walk. Showing attention, confidence, and other prosocial feelings is as simple as keeping your head up and facing the person you are talking to. Your anxiety level will seem higher if you move quickly. Make an effort to slow down and observe how your demeanor, from your hand gestures to your stride, changes when you do so. But the trick is to move more slowly while keeping other signals, like eye gaze and posture, intact. Slouching, moving slowly, and not making eye contact are all signs of sorrow that could make you look less confident than you actually are. 8. Consider getting a tailored suit for special occasions to make a lasting impression. You should take into consideration both the shape of your body and the type of suit that you are looking for. It is important to pay attention to the details and to search for construction and materials of high quality. Lastly, make sure that the fit is adjusted as necessary through the use of tailoring or adjustments. To begin the process of obtaining a bespoke suit that is correctly tailored, you must first determine the appropriate style and fit of your new suit. The first thing you need to do is determine the event for which you will be wearing the suit. Is it for business, play, social events, or maybe even a wedding? When it comes to the style, a suit that is intended for business meetings will need a different set of requirements than a suit that is intended for a wedding in the countryside. One more thing to think about before purchasing a tailored suit is the message that you want to convey through the outfit that you are wearing. Are you attempting to make a statement in your place of employment, or are you simply trying to look modern at a social event? However, you do not need to be an expert in fashion in order to be successful. Skilled stylists will guide you through this decision-making process in a fluid manner and assist you in determining the style that is most suitable for you. I hope these tips and tricks have inspired you to unleash your style and stand out from other men. Remember, the key is to embrace your own unique taste and let it shine through. So go ahead, rock your confidence, and make a statement with your fashion choices. You've got what it takes to stand out and leave a lasting impression. What other topics regarding style do you want us to talk about next? Leave it in the comments below.